You can expect a lot from the 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Both V6 and V8 engines are available, the latter of which puts out 360 horsepower and a stout 390 foot-pounds of torque. 3 sophisticated four-wheel drive systems are offered, and new for 2011 is the Quadralift air suspension system, allowing a maximum ride height of 10.7 inches. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as an outside temperature display, remote start systems standard for Laredo X and above models, and more. All models are equipped with Sirius Radio and 1-year Sirius Radio service. Tons of technology has been packed inside, including available 506-watt premium audio, navigation, and 20-channel television. On the Laredo X and above models, Jeep includes a rear-view camera. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.